sister last time I met her. We was children 7 years by. She held my hand so softly. She was perfectly shy. I cracked her with my shovel. She bent my shovel's blade. She still had them crossed eyes. I dug her crooked grave. This is how it's always been. This is how we do things in the country. This is how it's always been. This is how we do things in the country. Long the next mid-morning, the rains they came down, washed away that crooked grave, washed her straight into town. She nudged get Judge Henry.
Well, that was an adventure and a half. I went to go dive the clock tower, and my battery was like, no, I don't think so, Buster. And I don't know if I got any footage, but I just kind of lost control at like the top of the arch of the pop / punch out. And look at how sketchy this shit is. So I lost control at the top of like the highest point in the arch, getting ready to dive the tower, and I banged against the flagpole. I thought that I got stuck on the roof, so I went all the way to the top of that fucking sketchy ass clock tower. I climbed in through bricks. Look at my fucking feet, damn near knee deep in the muck. And when I got there, I only found the GoPro. So when I got back down, I had to locate the quad, which luckily I did rather quickly, and she's totally fine. But yeah, anyway, no bueno.